everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. In today's video we are going to be doing a review. The company we are going to be working with today is called Basique Jewelry. Okay, first it came in this package. It was wrapped. Okay, so as I open it, this is the first thing I saw. Okay, I will go straight and open it right away. But this is also gorgeous. The packaging is super dupe. Here's the package. Here you can see basic material elements on the heart. So this packaging is so gorgeous, guys. Let's talk about this packaging. This is super dupe. Like, I love this packaging. Okay, so I think I have to open it here.
Right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just
let's see what we have. Okay, this bag is what I really love the most. Like, look at the bag. This is so gorgeous. So here is the company name, Basique. And yeah, before I will tell you anything about this jewelry, I'm going to be dropping the link of the website down below, also the link to the jewelries I'm going to be reviewing. I'm going to be dropping my discount code as well. You will get 20% off if you order anything with my discount code, so that is a great opportunity for you guys. So let me quickly tell you a bit about this jewelry. I'm actually looking at the details. Basique Jewelry is dedicated in providing exclusive jewelry in the unique, beautiful design, helps the user express their personality in daily occasions. So this is what the jewelry is all about. And yeah, so here I got my pair of jewelry here. I'm going to be actually reviewing this step by step for you all. Okay, here we have 6 pair of the jewelries that we are going to be reviewing. So this one is actually unwrapped rectangular tag necklace. Like, this is how it actually look like. This is also gorgeous. I love the details here. This is so pretty. Like, look at that. So pretty. I really love it. So this is the first one. I'm going to be wearing it and show you guys how it actually look on my neck. Like, this is so pretty. So I put it on and this is how it look. Okay, so this necklace is actually classic, a silhouette with unwrapped detailing, wearable yet model to elevate your any look for any occasion, to symbolize new beginners. I'm going to be coming closer for you guys to see that very well. Let me zoom in a bit. I decided to stand up so that you guys can see that nicely. All right. Okay, so this is the necklace. This one is so gorgeous. I really love it, and it's actually adjustable. Like, it have a lot of adjustable parts which you can adjust it to. Okay, you can see that if you want it tighter, you can adjust it more tighter, and you can just adjust it to your taste. And I really love this. I can say, like, this is so pretty. Look at that. I look like a big man's wife. All right, guys, so let's move to the second stuff we got. All right, let me open it for you guys to see how it look like. The next stuff we got is this unwrap band ring double band, and this is so gorgeous, as you can see. So this is so pretty. I really love the double band in it. Are you seeing that?
I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on the...
All right, you guys, so this is how it look on my finger. This is so gorgeous. I love it, and it's true to size. So my size is actually number 9 in US size. Okay, so this is how it look on my finger. This is so pretty. I really love this. Okay, so this is how it look, and it actually go well with the necklace, and I really love the ring and also the necklace. It go well. So this is actually different. They didn't come together. You can buy the ring separate, buy your necklace separate, okay, and it will match very well. As you can see that this looks so gorgeous. What do you guys think? So this is the only two stuff I got in silver color. All right, so I will go ahead now to move to the gold colors that we have. Please, you can actually go ahead to mix it up with your gold earrings. Okay, as you can see, I have not really gold. I'll go ahead to try the ones we have in gold color for you guys. Guys, look at that. Look at that black details there. Look, this sparkling. Like, I love this. This is also gorgeous. I really love it. I can't wait to try this on. So this necklace is actually unwrapped rectangular statement necklace. It's actually 18K gold plated. This is how it actually look, and what I love about this chain is this is a place where you can open it. Like, this is very nice, and it's very easy to wear. Like this one, you don't need anyone to come and help you on this. It's very easy. It's very nice because it's easy to wear. You don't need to wait for anyone to help you to wear this. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. Let me try it on and see how easy it is as well.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your...
This necklace, they say, is actually sculptured silhouette with texture, twist, faultless yet compactory to keep you feel fresh from the spring and beyond with the strong identity. Okay, so this is the necklace. This is what they say it is, and how it makes you look like, how it makes you feel as well. So this is it, guys, and I really love it. When I got this necklace, I decided to get something that will match with it. So this is the bracelet. This is so gorgeous. I love the silver details on it. It's so pretty, guys. Like, it's so pretty and gorgeous. Are you seeing that? Look at the details here and here. Look how it's shining. I so much love this, guys. Right, it's actually octagon bangle bracelets, eroded. Is also 18K gold, radium gold planted. So I'm going to be pairing this with the necklace and see how it actually look like. You can actually expand it a bit if it's too small, just for you to wear it. Okay. Alright, you guys, so this is how the bracelet look on my hand. It's so gorgeous. Like, I really love this. Okay, so this is how it look. This one can actually size everybody. When you see it, you feel it's small, but trust me, it's very comfortable on the hand, as you can see that. Alright, you guys, what we have next is this eroded square stackable ring. Like, this is so pretty. It also have a silver details on it, as you can see that. Okay, this is so gorgeous. I really love this as well, and I will try it on my finger. This is how it actually look on my finger, guys. It's so pretty, and I love the details as well. Okay, so this is really gorgeous, and I love it. So last on the list, we have this eroded small earring hoop range. Like, it's so gorgeous and very, very portable. I don't really like wearing big earring on my ear. That is why I go for the one that I know I will be comfortable on. Okay, I will actually put it on my ear and also show you guys how it looks. This is how it look like. It's also gorgeous. It matched with the necklace, the bracelets, and the ring as well. It really fit well together. So if you want all like this, you just have to buy them separate because they didn't came together. You just have to buy your bracelet separate, your ring separate, and the earring separate as well, and the necklace. Okay, so this is it, and I got this stuff to unbox for you guys. I unboxed 2 silver already, so plus this 4 stuff I'm wearing now, which is 6 stuff I just unboxed with you guys. Okay, so this is how it look, and I hope you guys love it, because me, I love them so much. So they are really gorgeous and they look good on me. My god, the necklace is what I really love the most. The necklace is actually my favorite. This one actually is my favorite because it looks so pretty and classy as well. And don't forget to check it out in case you are interested, and of course you should be interested, because this jewelry is everything you need. Yes, it's everything you need. Okay, I'm going to be dropping everything down below, and save this video in case any of your friend is doing birthday party. You can just go there, buy 1 or 2 stuff for them, for your loved ones, as a gift, because they will really appreciate it if you can get this kind of jewelries for them, your mother, your girlfriend, your fiance. So you can actually get this for them and they will really appreciate. All right, so this is it, and don't forget to use my coupon code. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.